The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following counties: King, WA, beginning at 5:48 p.m. Tuesday, June 28th and ending at 8:48 a.m. Wednesday, June 29th. The following message is transmitted at the request of the King County Office of Emergency Management in the Richmond Police Department. Due to a recent explosion of Building 25 on the Microsoft campus in Redmond, residents are not to approach the area between 148th Avenue and Belleroad Road from 51st Street to 24th Street. Anyone currently in this area must shelter in place.
When you cook with incredible ingredients, you make incredible meals.
Shelter in place lifted. The man responsible for the bombing on the Microsoft campus has been located. There are no more bombs.
Help at the touch of a button.
Buy a splash today at Walmart Pharmacy and get 25% off, plus the first month free.